Hi everyone, here we've got a OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system. Now let's tap on the backup option, and as you can see, this option is off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here, and under the backup to Google Drive, we've got the new option, the account option, and now we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can create a new account if you do not have your own. Just tap here or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, tap on next. Now you have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, our Google account immediately appears under the account option, so it means that we successfully added it, and all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.